I know that the president will be talking to the country, I think around about the 6th of this month, in the next 2 or 3 days. I would want to urge him to really receive all the expert advice, because Kenyans are not sure whether we should just go back to business as usual. I sense a feeling that there's so much tragedy around this COVID thing that it may be too soon to run and say, get on with it. We suggested the Minister for Education does fuller consultations with the other stakeholders before they can say children should go back to school. And I've had since that time a lot of conversation by Kenyans saying there will always be national examinations, there will always be schools, but you cannot allow a situation where children go back to class, infect each other, in fact also infect the parents back at home, and then before you know it, you have a wider tragedy than the country can bear. So let us bear through, all of us as Kenyans. I want to suggest that we stand firm and fight this pandemic together. For together, we shall win this war.